Okay. What about yung continuous no-show ng ating Vice President? At this point, no, of the of the trial, ito ba ay nararapat ba na hindi mo na siya talagang magpakita? Or would you say as a lawyer, ito ba ay isang strategy ng defense?
I wouldn't say na legal strategy to, no? Kasi right now, yung pre-trial conference, normally, yung court, yung regular court, pinapa-attend yung kung sino man, yung litigant, no?
Okay.
But that's not always the case, no? Meron mga pagkakataon na hindi na sila nag-a-attend for one reason or another. Baka malayo sila nakatira, etc. Kaya nga may lawyer, no? So the lawyer's job is to represent the principal, no? So I wouldn't necessarily call it a legal strategy, no, yung absence. Kahit sa trial, actually kahit sa trial proper, hindi naman kailangan naroon yung sado, yung respondent, no? unless specifically required by the court. The court or the impeachment court can say na dapat nandun ka. But that has to be justified. Bakit? No? Bakit ka dapat nandun? So, ganun yung pag-iisip dyan. So, yung absence ni Vice President Duterte, as a former litigator, I actually don't put much importance to that or any weight to that. No? Hindi masyadong relevant pa ngayon yung absence. No, it's not, I don't think it's part of a legal strategy. Maybe nga it's the absence of it's a sign of an absence of a legal strategy or a defense strategy.
Talaga?
No?
Baka
ganun pa kung ako tatanungin mo na mukhang nahihirapan sila na magkaroon ng isang coherent defense strategy, kaya hindi na nila
palalabasin.
Pinapa-attend.
Diba? Oo.
So although syempre kuro-kuro ko lang yan bilang isang meron, but
isang legal na meron.
Kung magkakaroon ako ng observation, it's less a legal strategy but more of probably the absence of a defense strategy.
So in the absence of a defense strategy, the best offense is to hide. Ganun eh. Tama ba?
Yeah, parang ganun. Kaya nga, hindi lang naman yun. Hindi lang naman dahil doon, no, yung absence. But also yung mga blanket denials lang. Yung mga blanket denials lang sa answer. For a litigator kasi these are all signs na mukhang hindi maayos yung defense strategy.